In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a metal detector by the company called GoGonova. Make professional easy. How about that, everybody? And this one has the 4 alkaline battery life. It has a memory function and a 10-inch probe. This is the box here. I just want to do a quick unboxing and show how easy this thing is to set up. And then I will click over and show using this. So stick around for that. So let's go ahead and open it up now. You can see very nicely packaged there. And I guess it looks like that. Here we go, open it up. Okay, well, here's a little set of instructions. So yeah, let's go ahead and start setting it up and see what you get in the box here. Let me just lay everything. What I like to do with these items is just lay everything out and see what you get. Look at how they package that. Very smart. They have a blow up to protect the actual unit itself there. Check that out, everybody. They give you a set of headphones. How cool is that? So that's actual headphones. Alkaline, so these looks to be just 9-volt, regular 9-volt batteries. And that's some sort of little package right here. This, oh, they give you a shovel, a little shovel so you can dig a hole when you find something. There's the handle, definitely the forearm top grip. This must be the unit itself. Yeah, so there's the unit. Okay, so I got it all laid out here. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go over the instructions and I'm gonna put all this together and I'll come back and show y'all what the finished product looks like. So let's do that now. All right, there it is, everybody. I just put it all together, you can see. So number one, you get your headphones here and there's a headphone jack on the back. It's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack in the back. And the actual unit button wire screws in right there. It takes 2 of these 9-volt batteries, so they give you 4, so you got 2 extra ones here. You wrap the cord around like this. There's a pin that goes through right here on how the unit, like the recoil base right here, connects, hooks in there. Super simple. This all tightens down. It does come apart when you need it to. This comes out right there. That is where the unit, like the display unit, goes down inside there. This goes on there like that. Very simple to all put together. And then you get this shovel here, you get the instructions, and you get a nice big bag with it. So this bag, I'm just going to go ahead and put all the stuff in right here. I'm going to break this down real simple and then stick it in the bag. And then let's get out somewhere and put this thing to the test, because I think it does work, because I did use it out here in the yard, but I don't want to dig holes all in my yard. So I'm going to go to a beach somewhere where there's some sand and really put this thing to the test. So let's do that now. All right, here we are, everybody. I'm out here at a little local lake that's kind of close to me. So let's go ahead and take it out of the package here. You know, I have it all packaged up. You can see how easily this thing can be packaged up. Let's go ahead and put this thing together. You know, to put it together, we're going to go like this. You got this middle piece here. And then once you slide that on, you tighten that up, and then check it out. I'm going to run this around. See how quickly you can set this thing up? So it's a pretty fast setup, and you're all ready to go. And then that folds down like that, just like that. As soon as you hit the power, it comes on almost instantly. And then I'm going to adjust the depth, turn the sensitivity down just a little bit. So we're all set. So it's getting a little colder out here and there's not that many people out, so this makes it a lot easier to get out to these beaches and kind of like just look for some treasures. All right, everybody, because I realize I'll be out here all day trying to make this video, I've decided to get my own coins and show y'all how this thing works. So here's a nickel. I'm going to put a nickel right there, and a quarter right there, and a penny right there. And now let's just see what it does when I run over each one of these. That's showing up very accurate, that it's a 25-cent piece. Yep, you see that? It's showing up 25%, 25-cent piece. And the depth seems to be 2 inches, which is probably about where I'm holding it. Now let's try the penny. Yep, 1 cent. It's showing up 1 cent piece. So it does work. It seems to be working. 25 cents, 1 cent. You can see it right here. Let's go ahead and let's put it under some. It's showing there's a 25-cent piece right here. You can see, there it is. So it actually picked that up. Now let's try the penny. But who wants to find a penny? Well, I guess a penny would be worth something. So the penny's right under that stick. Technically, we can't see it. 1 cent piece under the stick. And there it is. Well, this thing worked. The problem is this thing hits on a lot of stuff. So you'll be out here for a while. And there's a few things I'm figuring out I'm going to have to get. I want to get a better shovel. I want to get a sifter where I could sift through the sand. I need to like really figure out, do some more research on how to properly be an actual treasure hunter, because I think you could get a good beginner one, a good starter one like this, and you will be all set. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the GoGonova precision metal detector. Let's go ahead, let's do some more searching, see what we can find out here, because I'm getting a little warm. It's getting a little hotter out here. See you guys in the next video.